the entire production was geared right from the beginning in a way that we knew that the main focus is the acting. I met Sachit Puranik, who's the casting director of the film, over a cycle coffee one of the nights, and I told him that there's this script that I'm developing, there's this idea, and it requires non-professional actors, people you've never seen on screen before.
Impressionistic acting performance नहीं चाह रहे थे, बिल्कुल ये था कि जो लोग जैसे हैं वैसे ही कैसे उनको यूज़ किया जाए.
It was a big team of I think around 8 or 9 people. Some of them would, you know, travel through the interiors of Maharashtra. Some of them would attend protest rallies.
जमीन से जुड़े हुए लोग हम सब लोग ही फिल्म का हिस्सा बने. नॉन प्रोफेशनल एक्टर्स को कन्विंस करना कि आप इस फिल्म के लिए सूटेबल है, आप एक्टिंग ना करते हो तो ये हमारे लिए और अच्छी बात है.
It became like a social project because we approached many different people to get leads and to get contacts. It was a really long, I think 8 or 9 month long process.
आफ्टर द एंड ऑफ 6 months थोड़े से परवर्टेड भी हो गए थे कि हम लोग रास्ते पे जा रहे हैं तो हम किसी को भी देख रहे हैं, हमारा ये था कि यार ये मैजिस्ट्रेट सीन के लिए अच्छा है, ये फेक विटनेस के लिए ठीक है, ये ट्रेन वाले सीन के लिए अच्छा है.
It's not just the look, it's not about just having the right look or somebody who looks you know a certain way. It's also whether they can perform. We didn't audition them in a studio or in like a typical casting office or whatever. We actually got them to somebody's really nice, warm, cozy house, and we would, you know, chat with them. So there was like a very intensive process, and we kept on filtering the candidates, and a lot of them who didn't make it to as the primary characters or the secondary characters, we still had them in the film in the background or, you know, small roles and passing roles.
The casting of Veera was a huge coup for us because there was a lot of pressure on who will be Narayan Kamble, and it's such a pivotal role.
We had actually finalized somebody else, and this was, I think, 3 weeks before the shoot, and I was just not happy. My chief AD was like, get over it, you'll manage, but I was not happy.
Finally, Veera Satidar ji जो हमें मिले, it was again through an activist friend of ours.
He had sent us some pictures of his, and they were two different people. I mean, one of them was this, I think, 45-year-old man. The other was like, looked like he was 67. And then somebody told me it's the same guy. One of the avatars that was there in the picture, it was like really perfect.
तो मैं ये देखता था कि यार फिल्म में जो कुछ नारायण काम्बले के साथ होता है वो तो मेरे साथ कई बार हो चुका है, तो इसलिए मुझे नारायण काम्बले बनना भी बहुत आसान रहा.
Casting Vivek as Vinay and casting Gitanjali as the public prosecutor, who are the two theatre actors in the film.
मुझे कहते तो बहुत जेस्टर्स यूज करती हूँ, बहुत एक्सप्रेशन. मैंने कहा आई एम लाइक दैट. नहीं नहीं नहीं, ये नहीं चाहिए. और कैरेक्टराइजेशन भी नहीं करना है. मतलब यू हैव टू बी योरसेल्फ बट एट द सेम टाइम नॉट टू बी योरसेल्फ. 20 वर्ष डांबा आणि संपवा मॅटर, पण त्याच गोष्टी, तेच चेहरे.
On the sets, you know, some of the workers over there, they just used to ask me or whisper in my ears that साहब आप really हो क्या आज.
Then the big challenge for Vivek and Gitanjali was to kind of find a consistent grammar of acting and to gel with the non-professional actors.
And I would speak to Gitanjali, who plays the public prosecutor, quite a bit, that, you know, you and I are the only trained ones, and he keeps telling everyone that we are the trained professional actors, so we have to make sure our game is on.
Working with non-actors was really a learning process. Actor का अपना ईगो होता है, तो वो सब भाड़ में गया इस प्रोसेस का, and that was very good.
30-40 takes on an average. We've gone up to 60 takes, sometimes 65 takes. But they would just, you know, keep going, and of course, like no airs, no tantrums. You know, their support was really unconditional. Again, we auditioned a lot of people who actually belong to the worlds that court was representing, and our conversations with them, our experiences that we had with them, of course, added to the script. It added another layer while we were executing.